Here are instructions for the writing workshop videos. So what you need to do, you need to go on Google Classroom, click classwork at the top, then you come to the writing workshop. There are 6 assignments you need to do. You need to do them in order as well, because one assignment might require information from the previous one, so make sure you do them in order. When you click on one of them, you'll come to a screen like this. The assignment instructions and details are written at the bottom here. So for each video, there's a different assignment. Make sure you open it, read really carefully, watch the video, and then write the answer in the class comments, not private comments, not as a Google Docs that you send to me, not as an email. You need to write the answer to the assignment in the class comments section here. Make sure you watch the video in full. The videos are between 5 and 10 minutes. The longest one is 10 minutes. Most of them are around 5 minutes. So you watch each one, look at the assignment details, write the answers in the class comment, send. When you do this, you get formative points for doing so. It's a big assignment. It's really, really easy to do. It's basically a nice, easy grade, and it will really help you. As far as I'm concerned, this is going to be one of the most helpful assignments you do this term. So make sure you do it in full. Once you do it, I'll give you the points for completion. Thank you.